Alright, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use jump nodes. So to get started, let's go ahead and create a new dialog asset by going to Create EasyTalk Dialogue and open that up in the editor. And we're just going to start out by creating our entry and exit nodes. And I'll just move these over here like this. And I'm going to create a conversation node. And we'll just do that. And now we're going to create another conversation node. Put it up here. And now we're going to create a jump in and a jump out node. So create one of each of those. The jump out node is used to jump from one point in the dialog to another point in the dialog. So if I connect this to here, then the dialog, once it gets past this conversation node, is going to jump to wherever this is telling it to jump to. So I'm going to just say tutorial. This is going to be the name of my jump key for this. And then for our jump in node, we're going to connect this to wherever we want it to link into. So, and then we need to set this name to whatever the name is that we're going to use. So in this case, tutorial. Now when we get to here, since this says tutorial, it will look for a jump in node that says tutorial, and it will jump to wherever that goes to. And then we're going to go ahead and connect this to our exit node here. And I'll just type in something here. We are before the jump, and we are after the jump. Okay, now if I save this and I go set it on my dialog controller as the dialog, and then I click play, now I'm going to play my dialog, and you see it says we are before the jump, and if I click continue, it says we are after the jump. So the next thing is we can have multiple jump out nodes that all point to the same jump in node. So if I have an option node, for example, and instead of connecting to the conversation node, I connect this to the entry, then I can actually do something like this. I'm just going to copy the tutorial in here. And you see that both of these jump out nodes both point to the same jump in node. But you cannot have two jump in nodes that have the same key here. So I'm just going to option A and put option B in this one. Save it. So when we click option A, we should see it jump directly to we are after the jump. And if we click option B, it should show this first, and then it should jump to that. So I click play, choose option A or B. Option A goes directly after the jump. Click option B, we're before the jump, and we're after the jump. So yeah, that's jump nodes. Hope you learned something, and I'll catch you in the next one. See ya.